This instructional video shows fully descaling and sanitizing your ice machine. For information on quick cleans or running individual descale, sanitize cycles, please consult your installation manual. Some things to know about cleaning your ice machine. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment when handling cleaning chemicals. Do not rinse sanitized parts. Sanitize your machine during installation and after prolonged shutdowns. Sanitizing the ice machine removes potential biological contaminations and molding. Fully descale and sanitize your ice machine every 6 months. Danger: highly corrosive cleaning chemicals. Avoid contact with eyes and skin. Wear eye protection and chemical-resistant rubber gloves when handling. Warning: toxic material hazard. Do not mix descaler and sanitizer. Harmful fumes may be generated. Required tools include, but may not be limited to, the following: chemical-resistant rubber gloves, safety glasses, a large container, a small container, true ice machine descaler, chlorine bleach, measuring spoons, a soft bristled brush, rags, and a spray bottle. True recommends using True Ice Machine Descaler. See link in the description. Any other cleaners not specified by True may damage components. This damage will void True's warranty. Empty the ice bin. Either let the ice melt or scoop the ice out. Press and hold clean for 3 seconds. The display will show the cleaning cycle menu. With light and clean, navigate the cleaning cycle menu for the desired cleaning cycle option. In this video, we will choose both. With the display showing BTH, press the True logo. The display shows the post-cleaning action menu. With light and clean, navigate the post-cleaning action menu for the desired action after the chosen cleaning cycle has finished. In this video, we will choose Startup. Standby, machine will enter standby mode. Startup, machine will start ice making sequence. With the display showing STR, press the True logo. The previously selected cleaning cycle begins. The display alternates between pre and clean for approximately 3 minutes. This ensures no ice remains in the ice molds. When the display shows Add Clean, pour 6 fluid ounces of undiluted True Ice Machine Descaler into the spray compartment behind the water shutters. After adding the descaler, press the True logo to continue the automatic clean cycle. The display shows clean while the cycle runs. Wait for the rinse and drain cycles to complete, approximately 10 minutes. When the display shows Remove Part Add, remove the interior ice making components for deep cleaning. Water shutters. Lift the shutter rod ends from the hidden recesses in the sidewalls. Ice guide. Lift the front of the guide and then pull the guide forward. Spray bar. Carefully disconnect the spray bar from the water supply. Water supply hose. Disconnect the hose from the ice machine. Pump cleanout cap. Remove the pump cleanout cap clamp, then carefully remove the cleanout cap. Place the removed components in the large container. Be sure to remove the spray bar end caps. In the large container, create a descaling solution of approximately 1 gallon of water and the remaining 10 fluid ounces undiluted True Ice Machine Descaler. Always add the cleaning chemicals to the water. Never add water to the cleaning chemicals. Let the components soak in the descaling solution for 10 to 15 minutes. While the components soak, wet a clean rag with the descaling solution. Wring out excess liquid, then thoroughly wipe down the ice machine's interior. Be sure to descale all interior surfaces. Back of the door, ice storage bin, spray compartment. Take care to avoid splashing or spilling the descaling solution onto the machine's exterior or surroundings. Rinse the descaled areas with clean water. After letting the components soak, brush off any built-up scale. Then, thoroughly rinse all components with clean water. Drain the descaling solution. Then thoroughly rinse the large container and gloves with clean water. Connect the water supply hose to the circulation pump outlet. Reinstall the interior components. Verify the components are correctly installed before proceeding. Spray bar. Correct. Spray bar is fully seated, positioned with the cleanout caps on the right, and has a good water supply hose connection. Incorrect. Spray bar positioned with cleanout caps on the left. Incorrect. Spray bar is not fully seated and has a bad water supply hose connection. Ice guide. Correct. Firmly seated over the spray bar. Front edge sits inside the water trough. Slots aligned with the spray nozzles. Finger holes clearly visible. Incorrect. Ice guide positioned too far inside the water trough. Incorrect. Ice guide positioned outside the water trough. Water shutters. Correct. Shutter rod sits fully seated in the recesses. Shutters conceal the ice guide finger holes. Ice guide slotted holes are visible. Incorrect. Ice guide finger holes are visible. Incorrect. Water shutter is installed backwards. Pump cleanout cap. Correct. Cap tab faces forward. Clamp sits fully seated with the handles facing forward. Incorrect. Cap tab does not face forward and clamp is upside down. Press the True logo to continue the automatic clean cycle. The display shows clean while the cycle runs. Wait for the rinse and drain cycles to complete. When the display shows Add Sanitizer, pour 2 teaspoons of chlorine bleach into the spray compartment. After adding the chlorine bleach, press the True logo to continue the automatic clean cycle. The display shows clean while the cycle runs. In the large container, create a sanitizing solution of approximately 1 gallon of water and 1.5 fluid ounces chlorine bleach. Always add the cleaning chemicals to water. Never add water to the cleaning chemicals. Warning: do not mix descaler with sanitizer as harmful fumes may be generated. Wet a fresh, clean rag with the sanitizing solution. Wring out the excess liquid. Then, thoroughly wipe down the inside of the ice machine. Be sure to sanitize all interior surfaces and the ice scoop. Use a spray bottle to sanitize hard-to-reach areas. Do not rinse sanitized surfaces. Take care to avoid splashing or spilling the sanitizing solution onto the machine's exterior or surroundings. Pour the remaining sanitizing solution into the ice storage bin. This will sanitize the drain system. While the sanitizing cycle finishes, rinse and dry any areas where cleaning solutions may have spilled. The sanitized cycle is complete. The machine is now clean and ready for use. At this point, since we chose STR, the ice machine will begin the ice making sequence. Inspect the drain line for discoloration, clogs, or kinks. If you cannot see through the drain line, True recommends replacing it. Contact your local service provider. After cleaning, before consuming ice, let the ice machine make ice for 1 hour and discard all the produced ice.